Assalamu alaikum. I hope you all people are fine. This video lecture is of math for pre-9th class and for 9th class also. As you know students, we have started unit number 1, its name matrices and determinant. Today I am going to explain very important long question. It is about matrix inversion method. We have two linear equations. Students, whenever we want to solve these two linear equations, first what we need to do, according to matrix inversion method, the given linear equations will change into matrix form, as you can see here. Which coefficient present with variables, to them we should write in separate matrix. Similarly, variables also we should write in separate matrix, and which constant numbers are present, to them also we should write in separate matrix. After that, we will suppose this matrix, it is A, this is X and this is B, and on this formula we will get AX is equal to B. A is multiplying in this side and it will divide in this side, and after that further when we have to simplify this equation further, then we will get this equation X is equal to A inverse B. Okay students, you should see here X value is given, XY this we can use. This is capital and this is small x and y, this is both. And after that you can see B also given, but A inverse is not present here. A is present but A inverse is not present. So what we need to do now, next we will find A inverse. As you can see, A inverse is equal to adjoint of A over A determinant. Whenever we want to solve inverse of any matrix, then first we will find determinant of that matrix. Okay, we will find first determinant of A matrix. Simple method, you know, product of primary diagonal minus product of secondary diagonal. 3 multiplied with 3 minus 2 multiplied with minus 2. After simplification, after simplify, we will get answer 5. It means that it is a non-singular matrix. Further we can solve this matrix. Now we will find its adjoint, and for finding adjoint what we are doing, which entries are present in primary diagonal, their position will change, and which entries are present in non-diagonal, or which are considered as a non-diagonal entries, for them just we will change their sign. As you can see here, this is matrix A, -2, these both entries becomes positive, as you can see here. And now these both value, determinant value and adjoint value, will use in this formula. This is our A inverse. Now again students, this equation X is equal to A inverse B. As you know, the value of X is given here, XY, and A inverse value we find here, that we will put, and after that B value, as you can see here. Now these both matrices, they are multiplying with each other, so we will multiply them. First row multiply with first column, then second row with first column. 3 multiply with 1 plus, after that 2 multiply with 2. Similarly, this second row multiply with this column. 2 multiply with 1 plus sign, after that 3 multiply with 2. After simplify, we will get this answer 7 and 8, and this determinant, it is coming as it is, and after dividing with this determinant, we will get this last and final result. These both are our required answers. For X, first element we will consider as an answer, and which is present second element, or you can say entry, that we will consider answer of Y. X answer comes equal to 7/5 and y answer comes equal to 8/5. I hope students you have understood. I am pretty sure you will solve easily, and these two questions are present. You will solve yourself, and I hope you can solve easily. Take care. Allah Hafiz.